It is strongly suggested to obtain a copy of the Audi self-study program number 991203, the Audi A4 Cabriolet design and function. This training guide goes into greater detail about top operation, the different components of the top, and locations of various sensors and switches used for top operation. While the top operation may seem to be somewhat complex, it is just a series of simple steps that depend on input switch conditions to allow the next step. The most common issue I've come across with convertibles are switch condition issues. There might be a conflict in that something is reporting both locked and unlocked or open and closed at the same time, or a switch is not reporting to allow the next step. Let's first go over what the live data in VCDS represents. Roof electronics, address number 26, measuring blocks group number 001 is shown. Field 1 shows the E137 top operation switch for open, close, or not operated. Fields 2 and 3 are binary switch conditions. Most of these values do represent physical on-off microswitches. However, in Field 2, the first 3 positions are virtual switch conditions based on the value of the top frame position sensor G356 shown in the 4th field. The relation between the value of the G356 and the first 3 positions in Field 2 can vary from vehicle to vehicle. Continuing in Field 2, position 4 is the F172 convertible top front lock switch. It is located in the windshield frame top left side. When the left hook of the top is secured to the windshield frame, this is a value of 1. Some factory documentation may also refer to this as the F169. Also note that vehicles in the North American market may have a second convertible top front lock switch, the F170, located in the windshield frame, top right side. If present, it would be wired up in series to the F172. For vehicles with the second F170 switch, both need to be operated to factory design for this bit to show a value of 1. Position 5 is the F295 convertible top latch switch, closed. It is located behind the interior trim panel on the leading edge of the top. When the mechanism that operates the hooks to secure the top to the windshield frame is in the closed or locked position, this is a value of 1. Position 6 is the F294 convertible top latch switch, open. It is located next to the F295 switch. When the mechanism that operates the hooks to secure the top to the windshield frame is in the open or unlocked position, this is a value of 1. Position 7 is the F202 convertible top close switch. It is located on the right side of the top frame. When the top frame assembly is out of the top storage compartment, this is a value of 1. Position 8 is the F171 convertible top open switch. It is located on the right side of the top frame. When the top frame assembly is in the top storage compartment, this has a value of 1. In Field 3, Position 1 is the F292 convertible top compartment tray switch. This is located on the right side of the luggage compartment as part of the convertible top box wall. From the luggage compartment, when the lever is operated to lower the adjustable top storage compartment for the top operation, this has a value of 1. Position 2. In our testing, it has always remained a value of 0. I suspect it has something to do with a wind deflector in some markets. Position 3 is the F200 compartment cover locked switch. This is located on the right side of the top storage box. When the top storage compartment cover is in a locked position, this is a value of 1. Position 4 is the F293 compartment cover unlock switch. This is located in the center of the top storage compartment with the compartment cover locking motor V222. When the compartment cover locking mechanism is moved to the unlocked position, this has a value of 1. Position 5 is the F290 compartment cover closed position switch. Some factory documentation may also refer to this as the F199. This is located on the left side of the top storage box. When the compartment cover is in a closed position, this has a value of 1. Position 6 is the F201 compartment cover open position switch. It is located on the right side of the body. When the compartment cover is fully raised, this has a value of 1. In Field 4 is the value of the G356 convertible top frame position sensor. This is located on the right side of the convertible frame at the main bearing. With any given Audi A4 Cabriolet with a working G356 sensor, the value should be close to the value shown in this video. In this final section, we will go through a simplified example of top operation, pointing out the switch conditions the J256 convertible top control module is looking for to allow top operation. Our starting point, the top is closed. The E137 top operation switch is moved to the open position and the windows lowered to a safe location. The top starts to unlock from the windshield frame. First, the F295 convertible top latch switch, closed, changes to 0. The top is released from the windshield frame. F172 convertible top front switch, locked, changes to 0. The F294 convertible top latch switch, open, changes to 1. The top starts to open. The value of the G356 convertible top frame position sensor changes. This will in turn cause the first 3 bits in field 2 to change. With the rear bow raised, the 3rd bit in field 2 changes to 1. The F200 compartment cover switch, locked, changes to 0 as the compartment cover starts to unlock. When the compartment cover is fully unlocked, the F293 compartment cover switch, unlocked, changes to a value of 1, and the compartment cover will start to lift up. The F290 compartment cover closed position changes to 0. The compartment cover is fully raised. The F201 compartment covered open position switch changes to 1. Now the top is moved into the storage compartment. The top is now stored. The F171 convertible top open switch changes to a value of 1. The compartment cover starts to lower. The F201 compartment covered open position switch changes to 0. The compartment cover is lowered. The F290 compartment cover closed position switch changes to 1. The compartment cover is locked. The F293 compartment covered unlock switch changes to 0, and the F200 compartment covered lock switch changes to 1. In this example, the windows then roll back up to the original starting position. The E137 top operation switch is released, completing the opening cycle. To close the top, the E137 is operated to the closed position and the windows lowered to a safe location. The compartment cover starts to unlock. F200 compartment covered lock switch goes to 0. The compartment cover is fully unlocked. The F293 compartment covered unlock switch reports a value of 1. As the compartment cover is raised, the F290 compartment cover closed switch changes to a value of 0. The compartment cover is fully raised and the F201 compartment covered open switch now reports a 1. Now the top can move to the closed position. With the rear bow lifted out of the way, in the second field, the 3rd bit for the switch point bow up changes to 1. It is now safe to lower the top compartment cover. As the top compartment cover is lowered, the F201 compartment cover position switch open changes to 0. The compartment cover is fully lowered. The F290 compartment cover position switch closed changes to 1. The compartment cover is locked. F293 compartment covered unlock switch changes from 0, and the F200 compartment covered lock changes to 1. The top continues to close. Based on the data from the G356 sensor, bits 1 and 2 in the second field are both reading 1. The leading edge of the top should be lined up with the windshield frame now. The top is locked down to the windshield frame. The hooks have triggered the F172 convertible top front lock switch in the windshield frame and read a value of 1. The F294 convertible top latch switch open changes to 0, and the F295 convertible top latch switch closed changes to 1 when the locking mechanism transitioned from the unlocked to the locked position. Again, in this example, the windows roll up. The E137 switch is released, ending the closing process.